6 minutes. Okay, what mathematical operation is happening? This will define what we're going to do here. So first, what are mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. There are 4 mathematical operations. So when you deal with this question, and you will see, you will get different type of questions very similar to that. Believe me, most of the time what you need to know is nothing more than this. What mathematical operation is happening? So looking at here, the operation happening here is addition. So looking at the rules, if you see addition, on the other side it will be a subtraction. So let's work on that. So A, please don't change A, don't change the equation, don't change the 9. The only number digit you are dealing with is plus 5, which is addition, which will become subtraction over here. So A equals to 4. And most of the time I get the question, what happens if A, sorry, I did that on purpose. If A has the negative sign. So first of all, I never like dealing with negative signs. So therefore, to get rid of the negative sign, this time I'm going to send this to the other side. So it will become something like this. 3 equals to 4. Negative A will be a positive A. And this time, I don't like the 4 next to the A. So I'm going to move this to the other side. So it will be 3 minus 4. Remember, 4 has no sign, which means script plus, equals to A. I know many times, many years, you have learned that the letter A is supposed to be on the left and the numbers on the right. I do not care. So you eat with your left hand or right hand. As long as you eat, I am okay. So it doesn't matter where the letter is. So if you are not good with negative numbers, I always suggest you to use your calculator. 3 minus 4 is not 1. It's minus 1. Minus 1 equals to A. And you are done with this as well. Now, very fast, I'll move on to next. What I did here is A plus 5 equals to a number. Minus A plus 3 equals to another number. And right over here, the green one I am looking at, this time, again A negative and positive. But this time I'm not adding, I'm subtracting. So let's see how we do this. It's the same mentality. Don't touch A, don't change the equation. 11, don't touch 11. Minus 3 will move on to the other side as plus 3. And then A will be 11 plus 3 is 14. Done. And over here, I don't like to deal with the negative numbers. A will go over here, but I am not going to repeat myself like I did here. A goes there, and once I have it, 4 goes here. I'm just going to do this once at a time. So A goes over there, equals minus 4 stays, of course, but the 10 has no sign, which is plus 10. It goes to the other side as minus 10. And the answer to this question is 6. And somebody needs to stop me. Because minus 4 minus 10 is definitely not 6. Minus 4 minus 10 definitely not even minus 6. So I am not good at the negative numbers. Let's use the calculator. 4, let's make this negative. Minus 10 will give you minus 14. So if you know, if you are good at it, just do it. But if you are not, use the calculator to get the correct answer. And now, what type of questions we have here? Multiplication which has negative number and a positive number. Very fast, in less than 2 minutes, I will finish this as well. What mathematical operations I am looking at here? I am not looking at addition, subtraction. I am not looking at addition. What I am looking at is not a division, so this is multiplication mathematical operation. So multiplication with the rules here tells me that if you send a multiplication to the other side, you will divide. So let's go do that. I'm going to divide the 4. So it will be something like this. A equals to 20 divided by 4. I got right of the number 4, and that will tell me A equals to 5. Now, what happens when you have minus 5A? Can someone take the door? So again, whatever number this is where the students most of the time get confused. And what they want to do here is send the minus 5 to the other side as positive 5. But this should be your trick. What does the minus 5 doing here? Is it an addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? What does the minus 5 doing here? What mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, are we talking about here? Okay. Minus 5, as you can see, there is a negative sign here, but this is a multiplication. Why this is a multiplication? Because this is not minus 5 plus A. This is not minus 5 minus A. This is not A divided by minus 5. So I just show you the 3 mathematical operations, which are addition, subtraction, and division. Multiplication is this, minus 5 times A. And usually we always show it like that. We ignore the multiplication sign. Therefore, I am looking at a multiplication here. This is not a subtraction. Please remember that. You will see this many times in front of you. If this is a multiplication, if I am looking at a multiplication, I have to divide. Let's go and divide. So A equals to 35 divided by 5. That's a mistake. I just changed the sign. You only do that with addition and subtraction of the mathematical operations, not with division or multiplication. Therefore, you're going to keep the number the same. It's going to divide by minus 5. And as I mentioned, if you are not good at with negative numbers, so let's use the calculator. 35 divided by not 5, negative 5, that will give you A equals minus 7. So the last here, what mathematical operation I am looking at? Does this look like an addition, subtraction, multiplication? This is a division. So therefore, A equals to 3. Without touching A and 3, what I'm going to do with the 2? I will multiply. and the answer is 6. So I don't know what question is over there, but I'm going to do absolutely the same. Minus a equals to 3 times 8 minus a equals to 24, and we always don't want to know what is minus a equals to. We always want to know what is a is equal to. So therefore this negative sign removes just in front of the 24, and a becomes minus 24. Done. As long as you know what to deal, how to deal with the 4 mathematical operations, none of the homework and exercises will seem difficult to you.